जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
Union Minister Piyush Goyal has upset India's startups. Piyush Goyal slammed food delivery companies like Swiggy and Zomato for serving the youth with low-paying, cheap labor, drawing comparison with China and the United States. He also called out billionaire kids for opening fancy ice cream and cookies business and calling them startups. Questioning India's vision for the future, Goyal asked whether or not India wants to focus on technological advancement, or people are just satisfied with delivery boys and girls' jobs.
What are India's startups doing today? We are focused on food delivery apps, turning unemployed youth into cheap labor so the rich can get their meals without moving out of their house. And against that, what does a Chinese startup do? Work on developing electric mobility, battery technologies, and with that, they're today dominating the electric mobility ecosystem. We are very proud of what India has done. But are we the best in the world as yet? Not yet. Should we aspire to be? Or are we going to be happy being delivery boys and girls? Look at the second one. I've been going through a lot of our startup success stories, and when I go all over the country, we often have startup presenting to us what work they're doing. Fancy ice cream and cookies. In fact, I know at least 3 or 4 billionaires whose children make on one brand or the other very fancy ice creams and cookies and run a very successful business, and I have no complaint against that. But is that the destiny of India? क्या भारत का भविष्य उससे संतुष्ट है? Healthy ice cream, zero gluten free, whatever, I don't know. We are vegan. ये सब शब्द लगा के अच्छी पैकेजिंग करके हम स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं अपने आप को. ये स्टार्टअप नहीं है, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये बिजनेस है. दूसरी तरफ सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ग्रोथ हो रही है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद की अपने देश की बन रही है लोगों की. दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग हेवीली टू बिकम सेल्फ रिलायंट, building chips, AI models, which will prepare the nation for the future. भारत ने क्या करना है?
Piyush Goyal's remark has drawn massive criticism from netizens and even many startup founders, including Zepto CEO Adit Palicha. Union Mantri Piyush Goyal didn't stop there. He further went on to target Shark Tank judge and board CEO Aman Gupta. Piyush Goyal asked Aman Gupta to change his perspective while investing in businesses on the show. So this ice cream jab was also directed at Aman Gupta, as he had invested in popular ice cream brand Go Zero ice cream during a Shark Tank episode. Goyal, in fact, insisted that Indian startups need a reality check, as he compared the country's startups with the startup landscape in China, which he said has leading AI and technology.